guys, this is G again with yet another video. So this is just really just to give you guys a quick preview of what's coming in the future. This is a go-kart you guys have seen before in the previous videos. Just a quick rundown. Obviously we replaced this small little engine with this beast, and also we went from 200cc to 400cc with the CVT or torque converter and billet flywheel on this side, just to make sure we don't shatter everything to pieces when we rev this thing up full speed, because I did remove a governor completely. Also we got an intake, which it's not on right now, just a carb, and a header exhaust. So I'm not going to get in too much detail. There's going to be more videos coming with a lot more explaining what I've done to this all. This is just to give you a preview, that this has been nothing but a fighting battle to make sure this thing runs well and does what it should. And as you can see, it's not really doing what it should, since all it's doing is shooting out flames out the exhaust. But I thought it's pretty cool. Thought I'll share the little experience with everybody. And make sure to subscribe, and there's going to be a whole lot more to see. Thanks for watching.